Arise and shine, King Theophany has come. Let's hold to his unchanging hand. Praise the Lord, praise his name, and be garrisoned, my friend. Don't let the devil shake your confidence or in your heart with fear. Now don't you hate your brother, that's the root of bitterness. We've got to walk in God's way of holiness, of holiness. So kick him down, have the devil on the run. A son of God must not be trodden down, so kick that mamba down, kick him down, kick him down, have the devil on the run. A son of God must not be trodden down, so kick that mamba down. Cover your face, cover your feet with reverence and humility. Let's go into action with God's given ability. Stand flat-footed in all your trials, though they may be sometimes mean. Always remember to call Jesus on the sea. Remember every day to have your token on display. It is an act of love, so follow that love. That's no white love. That's no white love. So kick him down, kick him down, have the devil on the run. A son of God must not be trodden down, so kick him down, kick him down, have the devil on the run. A son of God must not be trodden down, so kick that down. Unconquered by traditions, in this day we stand. Like Joshua and Caleb, we are going to possess that land. But believers, it won't be easy. It's not a flowery bed of ease. Remember that old devil will bring on a terrible squeeze. Now don't let him have you blue, wondering what you are going to do. You are on that 7 peak, so you just speak. Oh, you just speak. You just speak. So kick him down, have the devil on the run. A son of God be trodden down, so kick him down and keep him up. Have the devil on the run. A son of God must not be trodden down, so kick that mamba down. Unconquered by traditions, in this day we stand. Like Joshua and Caleb, we are going to possess that land. But brothers, it won't be easy. It's not a flowery bed of ease. Remember that old devil will bring on a terrible squeeze. Now don't let him have you blue, wondering what you are going